This is just a quick update about my live trades. I just entered Euro Japanese yen, as you can see there. So if you move this thing down, you will see my stop loss somewhere there. The trade just started playing out. You can see EURJPY somewhere here. There are other trades. If you scroll down, I have my other trades there. It's just a quick update about that particular trade. If you check here, you will see that Japanese yen is gaining so much strength. It's the strongest currency so far based on the daily change. So Japanese yen is strong. Then you have Australian dollar, one of the strongest currency. The second one, the Great British pound, is also strong. The weakest currency so far, you see Canadian dollar and the euro. So that's why I took the euro against the Japanese yen. It's a strong sell, as you can see. And then I'm also seeing Canadian dollar against, if you are trading something like AUD card, you know that it's a strong buy. And then for euro AUD as well. So those trades are what you are seeing here. So I use the fundamental to arrive at those trading decisions. So this is just a quick update. If you want to join the USD/JPY trade, it's a very long trade to go. You know, the trade is still very far away, so you can take the trade, do your proper analysis and risk calculation, and you can take the trade. But there is no guarantees, just like I have told you. I have so many other trades that are already in profit, so adding a new trade to it with proper risk calculation is not a problem. So see you there. If you have any question, you can join the WhatsApp group or the WhatsApp channel.
If you come to the Weldds Forex Academy, we take you deep dive into fundamental analysis, what truly moves the market. We're not just telling you about news trading and all those kind of news. You have to dig deep into fundamentals and know what truly moves the market. We also take you through technical analysis, market sentiment, and risk management. Everything you need to be a full trader. Okay, so if you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, check the description of this video. There is a link to a WhatsApp. Chat us today that you want to join the Weldds Forex Academy, and we will be glad to admit you. See you there.